Welcome back, everyone. I wish you a very good and a happy day of trading before we even go over all the stuff. But in case you're having a bad day, if you're taking a loss, if you weren't ready for this move, if you just didn't know what the heck was going on, please consider my Discord services. Our Discord server is meant for traders who are trying to do this for a living. We are trying to basically set up a member side where people who are doing this seriously are willing to do the work and reap the rewards. If you haven't watched the last few videos, I recommend you go watch it because I was clearly warning for the downside to come. As many videos, if you could go look back, go ahead and check. I was very cautious about this looking like a second lower high of distribution coming, bearish divergence on volume, all of that good stuff. We are officially rolling over. All this is a test of support, which is what I said in those last videos. We're going to go test support. It's only if we start going under 62 with open and closes that I'm looking for lower, such as 56, 57, whatever. But right now, all we got to do is wait as the market starts opening and as people wake up and start selling and whatever. Once all of the dust settles is what we need to wait for, and then we can decide, hey, support held, we can look for upside again. Support broke, we need to look for the next level of support, etc., etc., etc. So level by level is what I would recommend for you guys, right? If you guys are unfamiliar with this stuff, if you don't understand what these EMAs are, if you don't understand what support and resistance is, if you don't understand market structure as if this is a distributional top or this is an accumulation inverse head and shoulder, if you don't understand all that, feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. Aside from that, let's start looking at what we're supposed to be looking at today. One very mean drop. Today, if we close underneath 68K, you can understand that the continuation of the downside is likely into the $62,000 area. So you close underneath, what was that, 67, 66,000. The target to then the next day's target will be around 62.5. All right. So that's all I can say about that. Until we close above 66, there is no upside. And then you have your next level of resistance over here at 69.8. So where's support? Well, support is over here at 62, and then all the way down here at like 58. And that's going off of the EMAs. If you want to use structure, you can use these wicks, you can use these wicks, you can use these wicks, you can use however you want to measure it. You know, the way I do it, I just told you. And if you want more details, join the Discord server. Other than that, I'm going to keep this video short and simple because everyone is managing their trades. So here is E on a daily, right? Same situation. We were putting up lower highs. We were looking for distribution. Boom. Cracked. We were looking for 33. Now you're tickling under 33, so I'm sure people are stressing. What I'm going to do right here on the video is I'm going to add a little bit of long right there at that level to help support the market in a sense. So I already do have a short too, so don't get me wrong. I'm not crazy. But this was the natural level for me to take a long. There you go. So I just filled a little bit of ETH over here at 3,300. And if we go lower to 3,000, yes, I'll be there to buy some more to help the market not dump completely to doom. But why I bought here is because it's a higher low. Possibly we can stop the day here or float here all day. It doesn't really matter. And then the next day we can look for a bullish engulfing reversal similar to this, exactly like this. Look at this. So previous history says that when price comes into this green area, the reversal can get nice and sharp. Now I know that this is probably going to go lower, but I have to follow the rule until it's broken. Until we lose this level here at 32, I can still attempt this 33 with the hope that we're putting in a higher low bounds in a bullish uptrend for continuation up. The day that we do get that bullish engulfing, if this worked out, it would go from 32 all the way to 35 and beyond, and then that would be like the best buy that I could have possibly had. Obviously, it's going lower. I'm not worried. I have a short from like the top, so I have like 1,000% gain right now in my short. I just added to my long. It could go as red as it wants. All I did was just straddle myself with like the $200 in ETH price action. So yeah, if we go lower, I will be adding. And I have a short that's going to go all the way down with me to basically act as an insurance policy in case we go really, really low, like 2,600, which is very, very possible because we're coming off very overbought conditions, okay? So that's the gist of why all this is happening. And if you guys watched any of my previous videos that I've been posting, I always show you a third asset, Dixie. Look at Dixie breaking up, which is what I was telling you over the weekend. If Dixie starts pumping up, you guys are gonna see your local high and see the downside on Bitcoin and ETH. That's what we got. I mean, if you want to test it, I'm sure Tesla took a little bit of a hit yesterday too. Probably not, because it was already grinding the lows. But this is as low as I want to see for Tesla, like 170-ish. 175 is actually, I'm not trying to add at 175. I'll buy 167 to 170, and that's about it. So right now, even Tesla's not in my accumulation zone. There's already people trying to mark it up. So right now, if Dixie starts getting a pullback today, all the bottoms that I was just showing you on Bitcoin and ETH will probably set, and then we can look for a reversal. So see, my $3,300 buy is already a little bit in the green. And I didn't add like crazy amount either because I'm expecting lower. But you know, a little bit of a dead cat bounce is what I'm going to play right now. I took that long on Bitcoin too. Uh, at 65. Why did I do it? 65? Oh, there you go. Okay. So I didn't show you the 4-hour chart. Here's the 4-hour chart. I took it over here. If it wants to go lower, it definitely can. I'm totally understanding of that. But I'm taking the dead cat bounce in the hopes of reversal into New York Open. That much damage being done before people wake up, you know, it'll be a quick opportunity for a quick long scalp, and then I'll probably be able to get an opportunity to short all over again. So that's what I'm going to be playing for today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, give me a shout out in the comment section below. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to DM me or join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Trade safe. Be careful. Don't over leverage yourself and get wrecked. Adios.